Hi guys, welcome to our channel. I'm Vipin. This channel is all about cars and cars and cars. Today, let's learn about car EGR blockage or carbon formation in the EGR. Now let's know what exactly is this EGR. EGR is nothing but exhaust gas recirculation, which collects exhaust gases and re-injects into the turbo. It will also improve the efficiency of the vehicle. Now let's learn how to clean this EGR with petrol and a cord wire. Look at the carbon formation on the EGR walls.
Stay down there, girl. Stay down there.
I love the chase and the hunt, and I set the pace when I'm running. I always take what I want and I always give it 100. Don't need a bank, no I'm funded. Play the game like it's nothing. I'm always thankful for something. Don't take for granted, stay humble. Now wake up! It's time to look at the enemy. Look in the mirror if he is no friend to me. It's not working out, maybe it's the chemistry. It's time to break up so I can make a better me. Better believe in your mind, cause it's everything. You can mold, shape, find almost anything. All it takes is some time and some clarity to find your identity. It's mind over everything. And when I feel like this, I'm immortal. 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 Don't be scared. Just level up. Don't be crack. And if you get in my way, you gonna feel the wrath. Gotta say it to my face while he's looking back. Mirror breaks after math. When I hate, I attack.